You know that the order has been passed, judgment has been passed by the Bombay High Court in Goa, quashing the election notification for the Ponda by-election. We have not yet got a copy of the order. The copy of the order has also not been uploaded, so I can't make any comment on the judgment. But I know that the petition had been filed, claiming that under section 151A of the Representation of People Act 1951 and using two judgments of the Division Bench of the Bombay High Court, that the election, if it is less than 1 year, a by-election less than 1 year, it should not be held. With great respect, I disagree with those two judgments of the Bombay High Court, and I'm going to tell you simply why. Section 151A mandates that a by-election for filling any vacancy referred to in any of the said sections shall be held within a period of 6 months from the date of occurrence of the vacancy. The date is this, that you must hold election, your by-election, within 6 months. Now there is a proviso which says nothing contained in this section shall apply if A, the remainder of the term of a member in relation to a vacancy is less than 1 year, or B, the Election Commission in consultation with the central government certifies that it is difficult to hold a by-election within the said period. Now, what is the meaning of this is very clear. On the main section, it is the duty, and anybody can go to the court and say, hold a by-election within 6 months. The provision is an enabling power. It says that you may not hold, you may understand this. It's not you shall not hold. You may not hold, it shall not apply if the remainder of the term of a member in relation to the vacancy is less than 1 year. So you can't go to the court and say that remainder of the term is less than 1 year and therefore there is a mandate not to hold the election. Please understand this. The words are not Election Commission or the central government shall not hold. These are not the words. So therefore, I am in respectful disagreement with the two judgments of the Bombay High Court on which they were relying.